Hello everyone, it's Scott and Ryan again with another Tuesday tip. We haven't done a video Tuesday tip now in a little bit, so we got to get back on our video game here. This month we're talking about population health. And so we're really passionate about PT's role within population health, and here's why. What do we know? Well, we know that musculoskeletal conditions like what we treat every day are incredibly common, right? We know that it's probably the #1 health condition in the United States, though not a lot of people want to actually talk about that. 1 in 2 adults every year are going to come down with these conditions. So what does that mean, right? Well, what that means is PTs, because we're the most effective treatment modality for these types of conditions, we can have a huge role in population health. And so we want to show you how even today at your practice you can start to become a population health player with what you're doing. So what a lot of our customers are using with StriveHub is this concept of a reactivation campaign. So let me kind of explain that for you, and then Ryan will show you how it works. A reactivation campaign essentially says, how can we reach back out to our past patients, those who have been discharged, and just remind them that physical therapy is an effective choice if they happen to have gotten injured again. So essentially what we can do is automatically reach out 6, 12 months after discharge, say, hey, how you doing? If you're interested, click on this link, let us know that you might want to come back in, and Ryan will show you a couple strategies for how we actually get that done. Go for it, Ryan.
Sure. So let's get started here. So with StriveHub, what we can do is, again, StriveHub Reach, what we're looking to provide clinics is the ability to automate messaging. So in the case of a reactivation campaign, what we're looking to do is provide content at certain points post-discharge. Like in this case here, it's a 12-month reactivation email where essentially we're saying, hey, listen, we provide these complimentary screens from your favorite PT. You would never go a year without seeing your dentist to get your teeth cleaned or going to see your physician to get your blood pressure checked. You should never go a year without seeing your PT. We really care about your health and wellness. So why don't you click here to sign up for a complimentary free screen where a patient can click and land on a pretty landing page that we build for our customers, where they can then pop in their first name, last name, email, date of birth, all that stuff, and hit submit. Now the nice thing is we can automate a message to the right person at your organization, whether that's front desk or someone centrally, to pick the phone up, give this person a call, get them back in. We're finding that there's a really it's really effective in getting these patients to utilize physical therapy as a first choice for musculoskeletal disease management. And the nice thing is what we can do is we can automate this for you. So you can come in and really simply create what we call a continuous workflow where you say, all right, I want to send this 12-month reactivation email. The best segment to send this to is my discharged patients. So let's go ahead and send it to only people who are currently discharged in my EMR. Let's send the content, which is our 12-month reactivation. And then obviously the best time to send a 12-month reactivation is 12 months after someone's discharged from care. Now the beauty here is because we integrate with almost every major EMR in physical therapy, we're going to pull all this information straight in and automatically deliver this message 12 months after someone leaves your door. And obviously you can do this at 3 months and at 6 months, 12 and 18. It's a nice way to stay top of mind and give patients an easy way to convert back if they have a new issue that pops up to work with you first.
So definitely I think a lot of PTs think about population health, and some of us think, well, that's a little daunting, that's a big project. But in reality, you can start having a major impact today. The beauty of this type of model is it's going to do 2 things. One, obviously it's going to help your clinic grow. This is just another way to acquire patients. The best patients you're going to have, the best customers you're going to have are ones that already know about you and have been to your business before. But there's a second bottom line here, and that's, again, if we just think about incidence rate and think about how frequently these types of injuries occur, you're going to have a major role in helping to prevent chronic disease impacting if you're proactively reaching back out to past patients, making sure they're taking care of themselves in an active way. So as always, thank you for watching this Tuesday tip. If you have more questions for us, feel free to reach out, hello@strivelabs.com. We love hearing from you guys. You can also hit us up on Twitter @strive_labs. Okay, bye.